Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to read message on Instagram without sin. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Like other messaging apps, Instagram has a feature that lets the sender know if you have opened the message. When you read the DMs, Instagram leaves in to notify the sender. The good news is you can read Instagram message without sin by using simple tricks like uh, reading from notification, turning off read receive, and this video will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Instagram. Here's I have message. First, if we read like this, they can see that this message is just sent like this. They will know if you just send their message. See, there is like option send. It means now what if you want to hide that the send notification on the message? It's very simple. First of all, you can open your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner on the three lines over here. Now you can just scroll down. You can go to message and story replies. And from here you can select on show read receive. So you can turn this off. So when this on, others can see when you've read their message. But if you turn this off, they can't see. They cannot see if you just read their message. And you can also see if they just read your message too. So I will change to other account and let's see. I will try to send message. Now let's read the message from this account. So I have read the message. Now let's switch to that account again. So we just read the message, right? Now we can see there's no sent notification on this message. It means you have disabled the read receipt. You can now see or read message without sin on your Instagram account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to read message on Instagram without sin. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.